your girl Bella. How are you? So in today's video, we will talk about how to protect your credit during this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. So in April 2020, the three credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, announced that they will be giving consumers access to run their credit reports once a week until April 2021. Now, this credit reports will not have your actual credit score, but it is still a good way to help consumers be more proactive in protecting their credit and finances, as we are still in the middle of this financial uncertainty due to COVID-19. Once you are ready to download your free credit report from all three bureaus, you will have to go to the website annualcreditreport.com. Now, you will be able to download your credit report from all three bureaus once a week from now until April 2021. Now, if you do want to learn how to run your reports on that site, I will put a link to a video that I did previously up here and in the description box below. Now, this new benefit is really going to be helpful for those consumers who are currently dealing with financial hardship and who have requested deferments and forbearances from their creditors. Now, the reason why I say that is because these consumers do have certain protections under the CARES Act that was passed in March 2020. Now, under the CARES Act, any consumers who have requested a deferment or forbearance, their creditors are not allowed to report any of those payments as missed or late. Now, just because you have these protections does not mean that every single creditor is going to get it right. So by being able to access your credit report, you can then be proactive to make sure that your creditors are not reporting any missed or late payments related to those deferments or forbearances that you have requested. Now, even if you are not currently dealing with any financial hardship and you have good to excellent credit, you also want to make sure that you are checking your credit reports frequently as well. Now, the reason why I say that is because there is so much financial uncertainty and craziness right now because of the COVID-19 situation that it has been a breeding ground for scammers, right? So you want to make sure that you don't fall victim to identity theft. So by checking your reports frequently or periodically, you can then make sure you don't have any fraudulent activity or accounts on your credit report. Now, you may also want to take it one step further by putting a freeze on your social security number and put a freeze on your credit report. So essentially, no one can apply for new credit unless you yourself contact the bureaus to quote unquote unfreeze your credit report. So this is definitely a great way to put an extra layer of protection so you don't fall victim to any fraudulent activity, scammer activity, or identity theft. In the event you do find inaccurate information on your credit report or you find fraudulent activity or account, you should first contact the credit bureau and file a complaint and dispute. Now, the credit bureau does have 30 to 45 days to investigate the account and to respond to your complaint. Now, in the event you do not get a response within 30 to 45 days, you should then contact your state's attorney general's office. Now, if you don't know who that is or how to contact them, I will put a link in the description box below so you can find that information out. All right, guys, so those are the things that you can do to protect your credit during this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, if you did find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.